Start by briefly explaining the significance of TikTok as a growing platform and its potential impact on e-commerce, especially in the year 2024. Provide a detailed guide on how to create a TikTok account for business purposes, including optimizing the profile for e-commerce. Explain the TikTok algorithm and how it works to increase visibility and reach for content, which is crucial for promoting e-commerce products. Offer tips and best practices for creating engaging and shareable content on TikTok, focusing on product demonstrations, unboxing videos, and user-generated content. Discuss the importance of hashtags in e-commerce on TikTok and provide examples of popular and relevant hashtags to use. Explain how to collaborate with TikTok influencers to promote products and reach a wider audience. Provide a step-by-step guide on how to set up a TikTok shop, including adding products, setting prices, and configuring payment methods. Discuss how to integrate the TikTok shop with other e-commerce platforms and sales channels for a seamless shopping experience. Introduce various analytics tools and methods to track the performance of TikTok shop and content, enabling adjustments to improve results. Explain how to create and run user-generated content campaigns on TikTok to generate buzz and sales. Offer guidance on setting up and running TikTok ads to reach a targeted audience and drive sales. Provide tips on how to engage with customers on TikTok, resolve issues, and maintain a positive brand image. Explain how to use TikTok's live streaming feature to showcase products, host Q&A sessions, and create an interactive shopping experience. Discuss how to participate in or create TikTok challenges and collaborations to boost brand awareness and sales. Offer insights on how to stay ahead of the competition and adapt to changes in the TikTok commerce landscape in the years to come. Summarize the importance of TikTok shops in e-commerce and how following these steps can help beginners capitalize on this opportunity in 2024.